Nary a day without precipitation since December 3rd, and winter temperatures making almost all of it snow. The week of the 13th started off with FACT staff investigating the snowpack after a stormy weekend when several natural slab avalanches were reported. We were pleased to find a right side up, generally stable snowpack and excellent skiing in the Swan Range.
So far. As we climbed higher, we searched for recent avalanche activity and looked for signs of drifting near ridgelines. We used our poles to feel for weak layers and compared depths to the one in our snow pit. We even got to kick a stubborn cornice above a small slope to see if it would pull out a wind slab. With the homework complete and no signs of instability, we felt comfortable riding in steep terrain one at a time.
We were hit by another bout of Pacific moisture on Tuesday, a 24-hour period in which weather stations in the Whitefish and Swan Ranges reported up to an inch of new water, and Tunnel Ridge in the Flathead Range picked up 18 inches of new snow. Riders in Noisy Basin again reported excellent conditions, but also natural soft slab avalanches. Forecasters near Whitefish Mountain Resort and observers in the Flathead Range found fewer signs of instability, but again noted a deepening right-side-up snowpack. Are you sensing a theme? Every other day pattern continued with a relatively calm day on Wednesday. Despite little new snow or wind, riders in the northern Swan and northern Whitefish ranges reported soft slabs from Tuesday's storm remained sensitive. Forecasters reported excellent powder across the region, but cautioned that all that low-density snow would be available for wind transport with approaching storms. Can you guess? Snowfall and wind returned again on Thursday. Initially, winds were from the southwest and wind slabs were sensitive on easterly slopes.
Hey!
Overnight, a weak Arctic intrusion moved south into the Flathead and wind shifted to the north. With sensitive wind slabs expected on all aspects, we bumped the avalanche danger to considerable for Friday. In areas unaffected by the changing winds, loose snow sloughing remained likely in steep terrain. Looking ahead, we know that the snowpack is starting to shape up. Across the region, layers of snow start soft at the surface and get progressively firmer with depth. Though rounding faceted grains sit atop early December crusts near the ground, we've had little feedback from this layer, though it's something we'll be keeping in the back of our minds with more snow on the horizon. There are a few question marks in the upcoming weather forecast, but moderate snowfall is expected to begin on Saturday, becoming heavy into Sunday as another Arctic air mass moves in from the north. As always, visit flatheadavalanche.org for the latest avalanche information.